say hello to my little friend. This thing is gonna change your life. You have knots, your back hurt, something else hurt, your side hurt, get you one of these. I'll show you how to use it. All right, so depending on the area of complaint, I have pain in my side. So that's where my serratus anterior is. I've been breastfeeding and it's been causing me pain. This is one of the only ways to get rid of it if I can't get a massage. All right, so what you do, just put it on the floor, find a spot, and lay down. And once you find a spot, like right there for me, you just sit and hold. Hold it for about 30 seconds for it to actually count. Do it maybe 3 to 4 times or throughout the day, whatever you can stand, and you'll feel that much better. Keep rolling. And when it hurts, just keep pushing it. So you're moving that knot around or that sensitive spot to release the knot and create more blood flow, which will get rid of inflammation and adhesions and things like that. And it feels good too. All right, so this is basically how you do it. Find a spot and slide till you feel it right there. And then just press and hold for about 30 seconds, however you can stand it.